Hi, this is Uncle Dan. Uncle Dan's Used Tanks. And I've got deals for you. We're doing a big clearance here today. Right here we got an M60. Was only driven by a little old lady to church on Sundays, but she got sick, so she couldn't take care of it the way it should be. So she had to give it to us, and we're willing to give you a good price on a slightly used M60. Over there we have our T55. Now the T55, it was obtained overseas. Apparently it's got very little mileage on it because the crew only drove it about 5-6 kilometers. I think that's 12 miles. And when they saw the enemy approaching them, they promptly got out of the vehicle, left the vehicle running, and ran away. So it's got very low mileage, and it's been brought back here by air freight and sea, and on train. So there's been very little mileage put on it. So if you want a good, old-fashioned, reliable family vehicle, T55 is a great deal. If you're in the towing company, all right, this was a version of the AVGP, which was sort of the previous to the Striker family. It's only got 6 wheels. It was born that way, but it's still capable of towing vehicles. Goes up to 60 miles an hour on the highway, and it could pull twice its weight down the road. I would recommend that for anyone who has to go into bad parts of town to recover a car. And that's just a sample of our deals here today. Thank you all.